So, hi guys, good morning. So, come with me while working at holiday. Sure arte. Feeling ko ang ganda. Mm. Ay, sana all fresh. So, let's eat. It's snack time. So, I have here a chocolate cake from Boss. So, bago 1 week ko na to. And, sarap pa rin. And I have black coffee. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nag-video. Hindi alam. So, naghintay ako ng provider ko. Kasi, nag-close chart siya. And I need to wait para matapos ko na yung claims and authorization. And ang taas ng idol ko ngayon, bongga pa eh. Sorry. So, what? How's life? Kaka-scroll ko. Napunta ako sa yung El Nino na paparating. Super El Nino. Tapos, may nakita ko doon na video na isang mom at ready na, sobrang ready niya. And may nakita ko nag-read ako sa comment. May iba sabi na sana all prepared, parang ganun. May iba din is prayers, and yung iba is prayers lang yung puhunan nila kasi dahil hindi naman lahat privilege. So I realize wala din akong ganun. Walang backup. Late ko lang na-realize yung how important saving is. But my partner always reminds me to save, magtira sa sarili kasi hindi alam yung emergency nangyayari. But sabihin ko lang, okay. Then emergency happens, repeat itself again. Tapos, anong tawag dun? Magsisave ako, tapos i-withdraw ko lang din. Parang ganun yung cycle ko. In the past few years in my life, parang palagi kong sinasabi, I deserve this. But at the end of the day, it's too much. And at the end of the day, hindi yung mga deserve mo when it comes to emergency, wala kang makukuha. At wala kang maipupundar. So, ayun. Lately ko lang talaga siya na-realize. So, sana effective yung gagawin ko this time. So, ginawa ko is para hindi ko ma-withdraw yung yung sinave ko. Nag-allocate ako ng budget na every salary for emergency, parang gano'n. Sana effective. So far 2 months na siya. Sana. So, and I'm still happy na nag-work from home na ako for how many months na din. So, laking bagay na walang pamasahe. So, yung pamasahe instead is sinave ko. And hopefully, and ang dami kong na-realize din. O, di ba anong connect dun? Yung connect is, like, yung parating na super ill, hindi natin alam if bagyo happens or whatever. So, wala tayong makukuha kung hindi tayo makakontrol sa sarili natin. Feeling. Ayun. And second is, I have, anong tawag doon? Maglalakto kasi ako. PT, anong tawag doon? Sabi ng dentist. So, they required me either parang braces na transparent yata tawag dun. And sobrang mahal. So, dahil wala akong emergency fan, so, nagsisave pa din ako. So, nag-antos ko or nag-agwanta right now, and hopefully by the end of the month, sobrang sakit talaga siya. And it's another wake-up call for me. Kasi ang dami ng wake-up call, but parang i-take for granted ko talaga siya. So, if you have a partner na always keep remind you to save or whatever, please listen. Kasi at the end of the day, para lang din yun sa sarili mo. Parang yung food is nandyan lang naman. Coffee shop is nandyan na lang naman. Oh, late mo na na-realize. Or parcel is nandyan na naman. I know it's not easy na mag-stop, especially if that's our coping mechanism. Di ba? Inamin ko din yung sa sarili ko. Minsan nagchat ako kay ChatGPT. Yung emotion ko. Tapos yung ChatGPT mag-ano din eh. Mag-gaslight sa'yo. That it's okay, at least you wake up. You wake up na alam mo yung financial problem mo, ganun. Hindi yung hindi naman pera yung problema, but it's yung spending habit mo. Ganun. So, paunti-unti, and hopefully it will make, kasi parang kinumpute ko siya, malaki talaga siya masisave mo in a year when when magsa-stop ka ng parcel or taking coffee shop, parang ganun. Pwede naman mag-reward, but not every week or not every month. Kasi parang makukuha man or makakain mo naman siya in daily basis, or makakainom ka naman ng black coffee using the Nescafe stick, parang ganun. And the still same feeling when taking a coffee shop. Then next is I really love books, so I have access for my Mega. So parang it's, I know it's not the same of feeling na you have your physical copy of book, but still same feeling. The kilig is still same feeling when reading sa sa phone. So ayun, ay hopefully. And lastly is hindi na naman ako nag-work from home na naman ako. So okay lang na walang damit kasi mas prepared na pang bahay. Tapos pag yung meeting ng client, magja-jacket lang naman ako. Parang gano'n. So, hopefully, and yung and lastly, sobrang gusto ko na talaga mag-travel kasi dati sobrang gala ko. Yung marunong pa ako mag-budget before. Sobrang gala ko, parang ganun. I miss travel, hindi na ako naka-international ng ilang years dahil nga, kasi hindi na nagsisave. But it's not, nagagaslight na naman ako. Thus, I'm a hindi naman super breadwinner, but mostly on the budget sa bahay. Mostly, ako, for bills, electricity, internet bills, grocery, parang gano'n. So, napupunta lang yung budget ko doon. Medication, parang gano'n. But, it's not an excuse daw. Kasi, I have also sakit. So, I need to save it myself as well. So, ayun lang. It's 4:20 a.m. thought. Hindi ko alam kung anong sense, but ayun lang. Sa lahat ng hindi marunong mag-save, kaya natin. Appear tayo dyan. And have a great day, guys. Happy weekend. Hindi pa nag-reply si Doc. So, ayun. Tanga muna tayo. Basa-basa. For updating. Ayun lang. Ang dami ko. Ang daldal ko. Na-miss ko kayo. Feeling.